It's go back to work day. We don't pick up until tonight at 10 o'clock and tucking the camera. So I have some time to get things organized. Before this truck that's backing in gets backed in, I wanted to show you this Pete. That is a pretty Pete, I think. Not a team truck, of course, but cool looking truck. Here, this guy's backing in, so that's over. There's another Pete. Right there. There's a green Pete. It's like berry green. What are you doing, Jay? Are you having fun? Boy, this place fills up early and quick. It's 4 o'clock and it's full. So our pickup is at 10 o'clock tonight. We will hang out here at the Flying J, have a nap, have some food. I'm going to cook some food here in a bit. Go get the load. He's going to bed here shortly, I think. Do you realize that it's 10 minutes to 4? 5? Do you realize that you're late for bed? Huh? Finished my green drink. You know I'm going to be waking you up tonight at midnight, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay. So I think you should probably put that away.
Yeah. So how do I... I'm going to have to put this under...
There are no trash cans.
I like
back.
that
Green Pete, right there. Hey. That's it? That's not a walk? Look how cute Maximus is. He's the cutest. Absolute cutest.
And it's coming off.
Okay.
Look at the mud up the side.
Oh, I know. I got stuck in some mud the other night, and I didn't think I was going to get out. Did you see this?
Yeah, I've already knocked a bunch of that off.
You did? That was bad. It was. I thought we were going to have to get towed. It's 18:59, 1 minute before 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. It's 59 degrees right here in Madison County, Illinois, and we're back on the road again. So I got this gorgeous sunset behind me. I wanted to tell you that I read all your comments on the last video where I asked the question about deleting a comment. Thank you. There were several people that I agreed that I would not delete a post just because it's someone hating on the channel or on me or Jay. That, let people express themselves. But porn, no. So I didn't explain that yesterday. And that's all I'm going to say about it ever again. But I appreciate your comments and I appreciate your guidance. It was excellent and very helpful. Got a serious sunset going on behind me. Another Conway driver, XPO driver, has a channel. His name is Rob Realistic. I'll post a link to his channel underneath in the description. Rob, thanks for the email that you sent. And that's not the kind of email that I would just say, thanks for the email, and that's it. So give me a little bit of time. kind of get settled back on the road, and we'll get back to you. Thanks for your email. The cop coming up.
This road, it winds you down like through this real windy little area through a shopping area.
Okay. We had a great time at the Bears, hanging out with family. Didn't get as much sleep as I would have liked. Isn't that funny? Come back on the road to get sleep? Oh well, that's okay. But we had this delicious chicken, shrimp, vegetable dinner. But it does kind of smell like shrimp in here right now. Yeah, it smells like shrimp. The air cleaner is going to have to work overtime tonight to fix that. But it was good. We don't get to eat like that all the time because our schedule is too tight. But at least 2 or 3 times a week, it's nice to have just really great hot food. It's great to have you back on the road with us. Grab a seat right there in the jump seat. I've sent Jay to bed. He is hopefully on his way to dreamland. I told him I'm gonna wake him up at midnight. It's gonna be a shock. This always happens. We kind of get off of our schedule. And more so around family. But I wouldn't trade it for the world. I had fun. I hope you did too. You know what? This truck drives so much better than any car. It's incredible. We had that Dodge van. This truck is just, I like driving it so much better. The way it handles, the way it moves over bumps. It's great. Thank you, Kenworth. Oh, I have a message for Brian, the Kenworth engineer. The steering wheel. I haven't talked about the steering wheel, but the steering wheel, Brian, you guys need to, you need to do where it will tilt up and out of the way completely. Now, have a look at this beautiful scenery out here in farmland and the great barns and the gorgeous houses sitting out here. I love them. I love farmhouses. I love barns. And at this time of day, when the sun is setting, the farms look so pretty. Doesn't look like it rolled. Thank goodness. Look at this. I can't figure out which direction that guy came from. I think he went both directions. So that is why that policeman passed us earlier with his lights on. I wonder if he fell asleep. Thankfully, the driver was sitting in the cab, sitting up in the driver's seat. Probably needs to have that seat cleaned. I really like it when you get to visit a client repeatedly. This particular client, these people are so laid back. They're so nice. It's such a calm environment. I've got probably half an hour to wait. Great trip. This was a good trip, and I just did a very difficult backing because this space is so tight in here. There is no headroom, but it worked out really good. I did take the camera and set it up so you could have a look, but let's see if it's too dark or not. If it wasn't too dark, then you just saw that backing maneuver. My red light is still on. I'm probably not going to get a green light for about half an hour. So I'm going to dump some of this footage onto the computer while I have a chance. And thank you. I appreciate you guys. So subscribe if you haven't. And it's great to welcome you to the Love and Truckin family. Jay is back here asleep, but he would welcome you if you were here. Like, if you feel so inclined. Likes help the channel. So I appreciate it. Somebody's chattering on the CB. Okay, I'm gonna get this stuff downloaded, and we'll see you in the next video. And if it was too dark, then you didn't see anything, and you probably think I'm nuts because you didn't see anything. I'm talking about something you didn't see. Okay. It's just down from Walmart.